Welcome again. We are here at MEF Leadership Forum in India, and I have with me Mr. Deshbandhu Bansal. We all know him very well. He is associated with Comviva as a COO. It's a pleasure having you here, sir.
Same here. Thanks for having me.
Thank you. So, we know you very well, but it will be a pleasure if you can just brief us about yourself, about your company, your work.
Sure. Yeah, so as you said, my name is Desh. I've been with Comviva for about 17 years and built multiple products. Right now, my focus is to build the next-gen CPaaS platform, which is not just communication, but also network intelligence and orchestration layer. And that's what we are enabling many telcos and large enterprises. So that's one of the key focus area for us.
That's great. So you are here in MEF. I'm not sure since how long you have been attending the event, but I'm sure you have been there before also. So what brings you here, the audience here? What is that special thing you can just brief us?
Yeah, so I've been associated with MEF for last 6-7 years and been attending the MEF India version for last 5 years. So I've been here on most of the events that have happened, and I think what really is unique about this event is here it's very focused on the messaging and API and how it is evolving. That very specific industry people are there, vendors, telcos, partners, consultants, so all coming together and talking about one topic rather than really distracted in many different areas. So that's what makes MEF event very special, and that's why I always take out time to be here.
Really great to hear this. So as you have talked about, like you are working on the next gen product, as you said CPaaS, as you said network API. So how do you see these things in future? How the industry will grow? How the industry will absorb it? What's your thought?
Yeah, I think, one, we need to look at the overall ecosystem, which is, more and more applications are going digital, which has need for engagement between enterprise and consumers on digital channels.
Sure.
So that need is increasing, but there is also loss of trust in some of the messaging channels. So I think one which, as an industry, the most important part which all the players have to work is bringing back that trust, bringing an omni-channel experience, true orchestration between different channels, and the third one is bring intelligence of the network about the consumer, so that we are really ready for this new age AI world, right? So the role that the CPaaS industry has to play is to bring that intelligence so that more and more use cases using AI can be enabled for the enterprises.
Great. As we are talking about trust between the companies, so how important do you see the partnership between the companies, and similarly, how do you see your partnership with Globe Teleservices?
Yeah, so I've known Ashutosh, Rajiv for a very long time, and so we are a technology play company, and GTS is into technology as well as into aggregation and customer, in a different way. So there is a good collaboration possibility on some of the API and other tech businesses that we are looking at. And it's always, we compete in certain areas and we cooperate in other areas. So it's a very healthy relationship that we have had, and hopefully we'll partner on something big soon.
This is how we both can grow, right?
Yes, absolutely.
The competition is necessary.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you so much for your time. It was a pleasure hearing from you, and I hope you are enjoying the event and we will have a greater partnership in future, right?
Congratulations to GTS for hosting such an amazing event. Great to be here, and thanks for talking to you.
Thank you for your time.
See you.